Smash burgers, but make them tacos. Let's make them. For the beef, we're keeping it simple with just a few seasonings.
Okay, first step we're gonna do is caramelize the onions. Caramelizing the onions releases that special secret juice where these smash burgers taste so much better than the typical or other smash burger recipes. Make sure when you caramelize your onions, they get that light brown color. Make sure to mix it often. And this is what your caramelized onions should look like. And when they look like this, they're done.
Mix the seasonings into the beef until just combined. Then divide the beef and gently roll into balls. Repeat these steps until all beef has been rolled up.
Now leave it alone for at least 3 minutes while the burger cooks. Okay, let's flip our burger. Perfect. Cook on this side for about 2 to 3 minutes as well. At about the 1 minute mark, add your cheese on top so it starts melting. And this is perfectly done. Now repeat the steps for the next few burgers. Okay, let's assemble our burger taco. Put some lettuce on there, some pickles, and you can use whatever sauce, but I like to use this sriracha mayo. Doesn't she look good? First bite. Well, that's a bite.
Crispy, cheesy, juicy. You have to make these.